Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak Kumar, and today we are going to discuss question number 3857. The question is minimum cost to split into ones. So, what does the exactly question say? We are given a question number n, and it is a positive number, as you can see in the constraint. It starts from 1 and can be up to 500. And what we have to do is to divide it into two numbers such that uh, a and b, such that a plus b equals n, and the cost of that operation will be a into b, and we have to repeat these operations unless all a and b are 1, and we have to then return the cost of operation, total cost of operation. So let's take with some example. Let's go with the 10. Now most of you will be thinking like we should split in two halves like 9 and 1. It will give us a fair advantage where multiplication is lowest, but you can see the one number is too far and we have to break it down multiple times. And some of might think the number 5 and 5 are the best, as it may look like the multiplication will be greatest, but ultimately the numbers are very low and are in order, so that the cost might be minimized. So let's see, but let's take one more case like 7 and 3, and we will check one by one all the case. Let's go for first of 5 and 5. So in first operation we will break the number in 5. My cost of operation will be 25, and in step 2 it will be each 5 will be broken into 2 and 3. So my cost of operation will be 25 plus 6 plus 6, as 2 into 3 is 6, and there are 2 5s, so 6 plus 6, which is exactly 37. So on to next step. Each 2 will be distributed in one in at the cost of 1, and there are 2 2s and 2 3s, and each 3 will be costing me 3, as you can see here in example. So for each 2 and for each 3 we will have 1 and 3 as their cost, but there are 2 2s and 3 2 3. So my cost of operation will be 37 plus 1 for each 2 and 3 for each 3. It will be ultimately 45. Now let's see for 9 and 1. My cost of operation will be here 9. In second step 8 1. Here my cost of operation will be 17, and after following such operations we will have our cost as 45 again. On the third step, let's go with 7 and 3. So first of all my cost of operation will be 21. Now if we go for 3, my cost of operation will be 3, so total cost will be 24. As for 7, we can break it into 3 and 4, so my cost of operation will be 36 at the time. Now again going for 3, it will become 39, and then going for 4, it will become 45. So now most of you might think that it can easily be done by recursion, like going from starting from 10, then going in 5 and 5, then 5 going into 2 and 3 each, and similarly like if the number is not similar like 11, then we can go in 6 and 5, and we can follow. But there is a trick. No matter what path you follow, the result will be always same. And the shocking part is it's nothing but the sum of n minus 1, all the natural numbers from 1 to n minus 1. Let me show you it again. If we are talking about 10, it gonna be like n minus 1 is 9, n is 10. So according to the formula of sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. But since we have to sum till n minus 1 natural numbers, so our formula will be like n into n minus 1 by 2, and substituting it by 10 at n, so n minus 1 will become 9. So 9 into 10 by 2 will be 45. This is not the only case. Let's check for 3. So according to our formula, it will be 3 into 2 by 2, giving 1 as giving 3 as output. Same for 4. It will give us 4 into 3 by 2, ultimately 6. And you can see answer is 6. Now let's apply our formula and check for the test cases if we are true or not. As you can see, the given test cases have been passed. So let's add some more. I am just going to add the largest one and a random one. No, so let it be 399. And let's check this. Now you can see all the test cases that I have created is has been cleared. So let's try submitting the code. Now you can see all the test cases have been already cleared. So now you can see it is a one-liner code, and not just a one-liner, but you also understand why what mathematics is just behind the code. It is not always about the data structure. It's sometimes about what do you think, why do you think, and how do you think. So for such content, please follow us. The link of solution will be in the comment section. Thank you for watching.